How big is this machine? Because it's got quite a small footprint, but quite a big table.
Yeah, so as the name suggests, the Vesta 1300B, 1300 millimeters on the x-axis, which is quite a large stroke for a machine of this size. 1400 mil table, so you can fit quite large components on there. 670 mil on the y-axis and 650 mil on the z-axis.
So you can fit some quite big parts onto this machine.
Yes.
Now, having a big table is all well and good, but you've got to be able to load that machine.
Yeah.
So how is this machine helping the customer load it?
So with the y-axis, as you may be able to see, the table comes very close to the front of the machine, which enables easy access with overhead cranes, or even if your components are small enough and light enough to actually load on towards the back of the table without too much effort.
And it's actually quite a nice height as well. You're not bending down or you're not reaching up.
It is. No need for these large gantries that you see sometimes on front of the really big machines.
Now, it's all well and good having a big table, but you've got to be able to run the parts on that table.
Yeah.
So what sort of spindle and power have we got?
So on this machine, it runs with a BBT40 spindle. It's 12,000 RPM, 18.5 kilowatt.
So you can really get this machine moving if you're doing...
It does. When you're up close and personal with it, it does fly around, yes.
What's the advantage of a BBT40 over sort of a BT40 spindle?
So a BBT gives you what we call face and taper contact on your tool. So you need the right arbor, if you like. So the tool goes into the spindle, pulls into the taper, and also gives you contact on the face of the spindle. It makes it a much more rigid tool.
So you can take bigger cuts.
Bigger, faster cuts, yeah, more accurate.
And who doesn't want to be running it as fast as you can, taking as big cuts as you can?
Obviously, yes, yes, yes.
Now, obviously, it's all right having a decent tool if you can only use a couple. So, but on this, you can fit quite a few tools in the carousel as well.
30 on this, I believe.
So with 30 tools, you're not really going to miss out on a tool needed for any sort of job.
You can fill the carousel up and pretty much cover a huge range of work pieces.
Now, obviously, we spoke about the table, we spoke about the spindle, but what are we programming this with?
Fanuc, so the latest Fanuc control that we offer on our machines across the board, really, on our machining centres and lathes, is the OIMF Plus or TF Plus control. As you can see behind me, 15-inch screen, HMI keyboard and display. Very useful, very user-friendly.
But it's not just Fanuc, is it, you get on this control? Because you actually get some added options from Hwacheon as well.
You do. Along with the Fanuc control, you do get obviously a standard on ours. You get the manual guide eye system, which we've talked about in the past. But on the Hwacheon software side, you get various options such as what we call tool load detect. So you can use thermal compensation, tool count, parts count, all part of the Hwacheon software.
And then with the thermal compensation, is that just spindle or table, or is that across the board?
That's across the board. That's all your axes and your spindle.
So, Mick, how fast can this machine actually move? What are the rapids on it?
So the rapids on this machine, 30 metres in the X and Y and 24 metres in the Z.
Now that's quite, you can get this moving quite quickly.
Yes.
But how does it stay so accurate and so rigid?
Well, you've got a full boxway, box guideway construction on this machine. So everything is really solid and rigid.
So people out there who are wanting a machine for doing quite high, quite specific tolerances and that sort of thing, you're not going to have any problems with this?
No, they're very accurate machines.